Okay guys, so we're installing our garden view cottage sa 3rd floor.
Yes, of course. And with a built-in pizza oven, built-in truck, play kitchen. And
Okay.
also, we forgot the stuff.
And this is
We forgot
our
the stuff.
builder.
But wait, but we forgot the stuff. But we're going to buy this stuff so we can put what's inside. Promise. We're going to buy the stuff so we can cook.
Okay, but then we have like kitchen there, right? Kitchen toy
Yeah.
upstairs.
Yeah, but we still need to buy this stuff.
Okay,
We
okay.
need to buy another cooking stuff.
Okay.
Making pancakes, kikiam, and fries.
Yes, magpipicnic kami sa 3rd floor, guys.
Yes.
Here's my mother. Mother Earth.
Mother.
Our beautiful mother.
And
Mother Earth.
Tinatawa lang kayo